am Dr. Sadhna Bhandari from Government Dungar College, Bikaner, Department of Public Administration. Today, I am going to throw some light on Prime Minister's office. The Prime Minister's office, that is PMO, consists of the immediate staff of the Prime Minister of India as well as multiple levels of support staff reporting to the Prime Minister. The PMO is headed by the Principal Secretary, currently Pramod Kumar Mishra. The PMO was originally called the Prime Minister's Secretariat until 1977, when it was renamed during the Morarji Desai Ministry. It is a part of the Government of India located in the south block of the Secretariat building. If you look at its history, during the tenure of Jawaharlal Nehru as Prime Minister, the then Prime Minister's Secretariat was headed by a Joint Secretary until his death. The post of Principal Secretary to Prime Minister was created during the tenure of Indira Gandhi as Prime Minister. The Principal Secretary to Prime Minister is the head of Prime Minister's office. Function. What are the important functions which PMO is performing? The PMO provides secretarial assistance to the Prime Minister. As we have seen in our previous videos, the Cabinet Secretariat is providing assistance and advice to the Cabinet, whereas the Central Secretariat is providing assistance and advice, facts and figures, data to the Council of Ministers. Likewise, the PMO provides secretarial assistance to the Prime Minister. It is headed by the Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister. The PMO includes the Anti-Corruption Unit and the Public Wing dealing with grievances. The office houses the Prime Minister and few select officers of Indian Civil Service who work with him to manage and coordinate government and his office. There are two functions which are very important to manage and coordinate among the different agencies. The Prime Minister to his office coordinates with all ministers in the Central Union Cabinet, Minister of Independent Charges, and the governors and the ministers of the state. The PMO is located at the south block of the Secretariat building. Minister in charge of the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension and the Department of Space and Atomic Energy. The sum of the important matters that require Prime Minister's personal attention include, as listed below, important defense related issues on which this Secretariat provides advice. Decorations, both civilian and defense, where presidential approval is required. All important policy issues, proposals for appointment of Indian heads of missions abroad, and all important decisions relating to the Cabinet Secretariat. Appointment to state administrative tribunals and the Central Administrative Tribunal, UPSC, Election Commission, appointment of members of statutory constitutional commissions attached to various ministries. All policy matters relating to the administration of the Indian Administrative Service and other civil services and administrative reforms. Special package announced by the Prime Minister for states are monitored in the PMO and the periodic reports submitted to the officer in charge. Parliament questions. Parliament questions relating to the ministries and departments of which Prime Minister is the minister in charge are answered by the Minister of State nominated for the purpose or by the Prime Minister himself. Prime Minister's Fund, it has been very popular during the COVID times. the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund and National Defence Fund are operated directly from the PMO. The Prime Minister's National Relief Fund was established in January 1948 as trust by the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, with public contributions to assist displaced persons from Pakistan. If we look at the office, the Prime Minister's office, that is PMO, is located in South Block, overlooking the grandeur of Rashtrapati Bhavan, though in 1990 I.K. Gujral and some of his predecessors used Prime Minister's residence spread over a 10-acre complex as office. It is sandwiched between the Cabinet Secretariat on one side and the Ministries of External Affairs and Defence on the other. The 20-room PMO is equipped with high-level infrastructure and manpower to support the nation's chief executive. High-tech accessories and sophisticated communication devices were installed to monitor domestic and international defense. This is in brief all about the Prime Minister's office. Stay with me for my next video. Thank you.